Hello there, in this video I want to show you how you can create a gorgeous and unique graphic from AI. There are so many variations you can create with AI, but you need to understand what kind of prompt you need to type into the MidJourney or Dall-e. As I said in my previous video, prompt understanding is one of the vital part of the creation. And there is one company that's already looking for a prompt engineer. As you can see, there is a company called Anthropic and they're looking for a prompt engineer. You can apply for this job. So let's go further and see their salary expectations. The salary range for these positions is $250 till $335 per year. This is a full-time job from San Francisco. I will leave the link to this website in the description below this video. So if you already a great prompt engineer, you can try and apply for this job. Now let's go to the first website I want to show you. There is a Lexica website. There is thousands of different graphics. The best part, everything you need is just to pick up the picture you like, click, and there is the prompt. You can copy prompt. Cute, adorable little bunny and happy smiling greetings me with red cloth. Let's go further. There are different styles, different colors and so on. But if you need something special, let's go to the search bar and let's try to search something that we're interested in. Let it be a spaceship. We are looking for some graphics around spaceship world. And here you go. Different graphics of spaceships with a different style. So we can pick up everything we're interested in. And let's try to create something like this. I like this one. Pretty interesting. Yeah, definitely. Awesome. So let's copy prompt and go to the MidJourney. Okay, let's start. Imagine prompt and Command V. Enter. Oh, interesting. Okay, let's open the browser. What MidJourney created for us. Pretty cool, pretty interesting. To be clear, I expected something else. So let's go back to our prompt and make some changes. And look what we can change. There is interior, we need exterior. Okay. Copy everything again. Imagine. Command V and change this one. And wait. Let's check again. Almost. Okay, but why they are sleeping? Their exterior of the ship the same. Okay, let's go back. I missed something. Okay, crew sleeping a starship. So that's why I told you that you need to understand every prompt you typed into the AI. Okay, and the last chance. Okay. Oh, it's better one. Yeah, definitely. Okay, I like the first one. Second, I don't know, no. The last one a little bit strange for me, and the third one is interesting. Okay, maybe because of girl, I don't know. Okay, let's try to upscale this one. The third. In previous video I told you how you can upscale the image you created by AI. In this video I want to show you one more website you can use to upscale, not 4 times but 8 times and even 10 times. So let's take our picture, open the browser. Pretty good. Let's download it, check the dimensions. There is 1000 to 1000, okay. And this is website, it's called Replicate. The link to this website I also will leave in the description below this video. So everything we need is to drop a file or click to a select. Let's take our drag and drop. There is our file. And now you can select the upscale from 0 to 10. Let it be 8. 8. And wait. So let's compare. This is our picture. As you can see, there is the biggest one and there is upscaled. And now you see how big it is. Really big. Okay, let's download it and check the dimensions. 8000 to 8000. And now, of course, I definitely will go to the WireStock and upload this picture to my library to upload and sell on the most interesting photo stocks. But before we'll do it, we need to change PNG to JPG. In this case, we need to go to the TinyWow. This is TinyWow. Type PNG to JPG and convert our graphic. Download, and now we can go to the WireStock. Upload. Okay, choose the easy one and post. Now let's go back, and there is my image. So you can get the inspiration from Lexica for whatever you want. For example, let it be rabbit, and let's see what kind of graphic with rabbit you can find. Then another one, castle. There's different variants. But for better prompt understanding, I recommend you look through the MidJourney documentation. There is MidJourney documentation website, quick start guide. And for example, you can find everything you want or you're interested in how to use the MidJourney. In our case, let's check user guide, commands, command list. There's all commands you can type in the Discord. The most popular one is imagine. So, user info. You can check how much pictures you created on MidJourney, and if you took the paid subscription, understand how much time is left. Why I said time? Because you use MidJourney's hours, CPU hours, not images. So they count not how many images you create, but how much time of CPU you used. For better understanding, let's go to the documentation. There is user guide, version, scroll down. As you can see, there is MidJourney version 1, version 2, version 3, and the last is version 4. So the first version of MidJourney create very easy picture. The second one is more interesting. The third one is better. And the last 4 version creates that graphic that I showed you before. So the main idea that to create something like this, you need to spend less hours of CPU than to create something like this. So if you always create high definition graphics, your limit expired faster. Let's go to the one more parameter. It's aspect ratios. As you see, you can create something like this, and in version 4 you can create 1:2 or 2:1. Let's go back to the MidJourney and check what we learned. Let it be lion version 1. Oh my god, this is a lion? Oh my god. So there is a picture that MidJourney creates from version 1. Let's check version 4. And there's line from the first version. As you can see, the difference is huge. So this prompt version 4, it's work by default, so you don't need to type every time. And the last website I want to show you, it's MidJourney Prompt Helper. As you can see, there is a field you need to type to describe what you want to create. In our case, let it be lion in full body. And then let's check styles. There's different styles you can pick up. Let it be dune. Okay, continue. Lightning, Edison bulb, electric, natural. Let it be this one. Continue. Camera, don't want. Artist, the different styles. Okay, colors, materials, size, and so on. And there is your prompt. Just copy prompt, go back to Discord, imagine, and Command V, enter. And here you go. Let's check. Pretty cool. Interesting. And don't forget, every graphic you create with paid subscription of MidJourney or Dall-e, you can download to the WireStock and make some money. So the link to this WireStock website I also left in description below this video. And of course, don't forget to give me a thumb button and subscribe to this channel if you want to see more such kind of videos. I hope this information was useful for you. If you have still some questions, leave them below this video and I will answer them as soon as possible. Thank you again and hope I will see you in the next videos. Bye bye!